In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ship to Puerto Rico with Shippo. If you've shipped internationally before, Puerto Rico can seem confusing at first, but the good news is that it's usually simpler than you might expect. Puerto Rico is a U.S. territory, which means that shipments moving between the U.S. and Puerto Rico are treated as domestic by some carriers, especially USPS. With USPS, that domestic treatment means no customs paperwork is required, so your process can be just as smooth as shipping to any other U.S. state. Where people run into trouble is the address format and carrier choice, so let's walk through it clearly. Start by creating your shipment in Shippo. From your dashboard, go to Orders or choose Create Label if you're entering details manually. When you fill out the recipient address in Puerto Rico, be precise. If you plan to use USPS, set the country to United States, not Puerto Rico, and set the state to PR, which is the standard two-letter abbreviation. Complete the street address, city, and zip code, and include a phone number. Double-check spelling and apartment or unit numbers, since tiny typos can cause rate lookup or validation issues. If Shippo or your chosen carrier expects a territory-style address, make sure the fields match what the platform suggests so you don't get an error. Next, choose your carrier and service. Shippo supports major options like USPS, FedEx, and UPS. If you select USPS, Puerto Rico is treated as domestic, and you can proceed without customs forms. If you're using another carrier, review whether they treat Puerto Rico differently. Some non-USPS services may require extra formatting or customs-like information. If that happens, Shippo will guide you through the standard international flow, where you declare item descriptions, values, and country of origin. Be accurate and specific to avoid delays. Once your address is validated and you've picked the best rate for your delivery speed and budget, you're ready to buy and print the label. Shippo will generate the label and, if your chosen carrier requires it, any accompanying documentation. Affix the label securely, making sure barcodes are flat and scannable, and then drop off the package or schedule a pickup according to the carrier's options in your area. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep the country set to United States when using USPS. Always use PR for the state, and verify the zip code to match the destination city. Follow any prompts Shippo gives you for formatting, and you'll avoid the most common hiccups. That's it. You're ready to ship to Puerto Rico with confidence.